Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can make dill oil like from Michelin star restaurant at home. So let's don't waste time and get started. So I have big bunch of dill here, and the first thing I have to do is to pick just the tops and discard the stems. Then I'm gonna blanch it. So I put it inside the boiling water for 1 minute. In the meantime, I prepare an ice bath. And after 1 minute, I transfer the dill inside the water and leave it to cool down completely. The next step is to squeeze the water out as I can and spread it on the tray with baking paper. And now I'm gonna leave it to dry overnight. The next day, the dill looks like this. Now I will make my oil hot around 85 degrees Celsius and I mix it with my dill inside the blender for few minutes. The last step is to pass it through the cloth and dill oil is done. Have a fun, guys! Great for decoration, but even better for the seasoning. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up and I see you soon.